Hey friends, I'm Brooke from Start at Home, and today I'm going to give a little update to our master closet with this peel and stick vinyl wallpaper from A New Wall. I'm going to share some tips and tricks on going around windows, closets, and getting the seams to look just right. Ready? Let's go. Don't skip laying out wallpaper first. This will make it so you don't install the wallpaper upside down, and so you start from the correct side so your wallpaper seams match up correctly. Putting the first piece up is so important. Leave 1 inch above your ceiling just in case your ceilings are not 100% level. When I have a big chunk to cut out, I find it easiest to mark my paper and measure the piece and then cut it on the ground. I don't cut off the extra because I may need to adjust or the wall may be slanted as I work my way down. I only remove about 4 inches of the backing at a time and use my squeegee to secure the wallpaper to the wall and get all of the air bubbles out. Look how the extra flap folds out so that I can get nice and tight into the corner. On to the second piece. Listen closely. This is very important for matching seams. Vinyl wallpaper usually overlaps up to 1.5 inch. So make sure to read the instructions first. Before I apply my wallpaper, I match my pattern up in the center and use blue tape to hold it in place. This will make it so your seams match up so much better, and at eye level they will be right on. I still start at the top and pull off about 4 inches of the backing and work my way down, cutting in around the windows and making sure to squeegee all the air out of the vinyl. For the small areas on top and bottom of the window, I match the pattern up and then cut the piece to size. Again, making them at least 2 inches bigger so I have some wiggle room. The next piece around the window was a little tricky to get all lined up because I only had the little bit on the top and a little bit on the bottom to go off of. I used my blue tape again to secure it so as I worked my way down it would stay in place. I did kind of get off as I was going down. The great part about vinyl wallpaper is I can pull it up and replace it again. Installing wallpaper is not hard. Make sure to go slow. Double check your marks before and keep checking your seams. It took me about 4 hours to install this whole wall start to finish. If I didn't have so many things to cut around, it would have gone a lot faster. Now that I have all the wallpaper up, I go back and trim everything. I have found the best way to trim wallpaper is to put your blade in between the surface and the squeegee and run them along together. It makes for a perfect straight line. And here is the master closet all finished. What a huge impact this wallpaper made in the space. I will link all sources below, and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.